Welcome to Show Me Creeks. I'm Larry, and in this video, Kyle and I go fishing. We go to wade this one little stretch, but man, to be quite honest with you, the water was too cold. I'm not wading it that cold. But we went upstream and the water was just fine. Kind of crazy. I don't know if maybe there's a spring that runs in there, but the first spot we were at, that water was absolutely cold. Well, I didn't catch anything at that first spot. Kyle did. As I'm back up at the truck, he said it was on his last cast, and I hear him hollering, so I go back down there. Here's a clip of that. It was pretty nice. Nice.
Yeah.
That thing is tubby. It is a mean mouth. It'd be a smallie and a spot mixed. Probably put up a pretty good little fight though, huh?
Yeah, she was nice. Right at that, a largemouth was chasing a shad through the water too.
Really?
Has like one more cast, man.
I'm just driving by here and seen this hole here. We're gonna see if we can't get something out of it. I mean, they're looking at it, but they ain't that worried about it. Did it? Nice. Bring it over here then, I'll get it. Just take your time with it.
It's not that big.
Oh. Dude, I don't know. Oh, that's a nice smallie though. You just hold on.
I got it.
I don't know. You sure?
There we go.
That's a real nice one.
Almost my forearm. Inch and a half, 2 inches short of my.
Oh, it's about 8 inches.
Yeah.
Super small. I got a bump board over there.
13, you were right.
I believe it probably is about 13. Beautiful though.
Yeah.
That's a good shot. That's a real good one though. Colors and all, you know what I mean?
Right. And we get to go back to tell friends.
Yeah.
Oh, that one. No wonder.
That's pretty nice. Hold on. Don't horse that thing, dude. That's a nice, that's bigger than your last one. That's a real nice one. Definitely bigger than your last one. I might have to switch over to the old Helgramite, buddy. Huh?
Come on, little guy.
Little guy.
He's hooked, dude. He's hooked good.
Yeah. I bet he's stronger in your knot, though.
Huh?
About the same size as the other one, actually.
He's a little longer. Oh, no, that's not.
Real nice, though.
Yeah, he's hooked.
Yeah, he's hooked real good.
He wouldn't
Yeah,
go
those hooks
anywhere.
are nice, man. He like kind of hooks it back, you know?
Yeah. Jesus, yeah. You got pliers on you?
Yeah.
On the day, finally.
Hey, that's nice, man. Got it.
Dude, I thought I was hung up, man.
Yeah. And then it started going sideways.
Yeah.
You know what we probably should throw? Wacky rig. That'd get those big ones. Got it? Rock bass.
Oh, that's pretty, dude.
Yeah, it's golden.
Real pretty.
I think it's a spawn color. Yeah, it's a rock bass still.
Is that off though? Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, you just turned it off. That's off. So you had it on. You just now turned it off. My bad. Yeah. Yeah, this time of year, I think, even maybe they're spawning or they're cold, but love the gold look on it. Yeah, they hang out right there at your feet too. See? That's pretty neat. Oh, it spit it out. This thing was half black. You ever seen those bass? Where there's pigments are all weird?
Gotcha.
Little guy. Finally not skunked. And it was on the old Helgramite. Go figure. Went ahead and put on the Helgramite. Try to catch up with Kyle here. Putting the hammer down on me. Put this guy back. I was actually reeling that pretty quick when he hit it. Brown. I don't know the name of the color. I don't even think I have any of these. This is all I could get one time. And then after that is really when I started saying, forget it, I'll just sell them because it's just hard for me to get them. Just found this spot like 2 days ago and I put it on my GPS and I was like, look, I'm going here very soon. So that's why we went there today. Kyle caught a couple nice smallies. I caught one smallmouth, but he caught a couple of nice smallies and a couple of nice rock bass. But it started raining. We knew it was going to be raining about this time though. We kind of planned it. It actually ended at the perfect time because on the way back to his vehicle, it started raining on us. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Good luck to you.